place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bankrolls, cause I got bankrolls and I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make.
Alright, we're out here in Staten Island. I literally have no clue where we are, but I just drove here for One Way Jason's Rideout Part 2. So, let's see what this consists of. I don't even know where I am right now. Oh.
Why didn't you tell me you was coming?
I didn't tell anyone.
I know.
You.
They said that stuff.
I saw them spin. I saw them spin and they like looked at me because I was in the wrong lane.
There's one sitting in the back of the car, takes my place.
Look at him. Look at him.
Bro, they got mad.
Why is there so mad?
Oh my god, dude.
Just pour a lot out, bro.
Look at it. One, two, three, four.
Oh my god. They're waiting. Isn't there like a protest going on or something? Mobbing. Look, they mobbing. They mobbing. They mobbing. They mobbing.
They not bothering you guys?
They ain't bothering me.
Say anything to you?
Nah. Oh my god. Oh. Like, what? Whoa. Oh, okay. Come on. Keep it up. There you go.
Hey, yo, that's the lens in my book.
You. Oh. He said beast mode. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, whoa. Okay. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Damn. Whoa, okay. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, whoa, okay. My boy looked like Tay-Tay. Oh, through the gap, okay. Not the Corvette. Aw, oh, man, that wasn't nice. Oh. Whoa, whoa, oh. Okay, oh my God, dude. Ah! Whoa, okay. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Come on. Oh yeah. Yeah, I see it. Okay. Oh, oh! Let's go. Good shit. Nah, they just want something to do. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let me see some. Whoa. Oh, okay. Oh. Bro, they don't care. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh my God. No way! Like what? What? Come on. Come on. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Okay, one hand. Hey! Ew. Oh, my fault. Yeah. I'll be alright. Hey, buddy.
Hey, Stephen.
Hey. My boy in the Travis. You got the Travis out here.
Rod, my toes outside this shit.
What happened? You fried them. The dirt bike kicks.
Three, make some noise. I'm posting this on Instagram.
Come on, stop it. Now, C2 work. Bop, bop. Watch it. Here, Stefan. Land. Uh-huh. Watch him. Oh. 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 Here, Stefan. Don't drop it. Still got it up.
Never that.
That C2 where you hurt. Touch. Keep it going. Uh-huh. Watch him. Oh my God. Still got it up. One hand. Oh, keep it going. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. You gonna turn again. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Oh, oh, leaky. Oh my God. Wop. Wop. Oh, forget about it. Oh. Woo. Is it on? Is it on? What? I caught it. Bet. Wow. Let's go. Keep that up. Let's go.
Keep that wheel up. I mean, we got an Escort.
Yeah, little man.
Hey, they go back. Step on the sword. Step on the sword.